Hello friends, here in chapter 1 integers exercise 1.4 question 1 evaluate. Before I start again repeat that you can find any types of textbook, any of the subject from the given link in the description of all of my videos. You will find the link in description of these videos. In first evaluate, that means we will perform the division in this exercise. Mostly we will perform in division. So 10 3s are 30, or we can write in simple way minus 30 upon 10. So 10 3s are 33, so plus minus minus, so I will get minus 3. Here 41 1s are 41 and minus plus minus, so I will get here minus 1. If I divide any of the number by the 0, that means 0 divided by minus 12, I always get 0. Here we have to go through the BODMAS rules. Here minus 31 divided by is this bracket minus 30 plus minus minus 1 minus 31 divide, I will get minus minus plus, so 31 and bigger is 30, so minus 30. So these both are 31, ones are 31 and minus minus plus, so I will get plus 1. Here minus 6 plus 5 divide minus 2 plus 1. Here also we will perform in BODMAS rules. So minus 6 plus 5 divide by minus 2 plus 1. So minus plus minus, so 6 minus 5 I will get 1 and sign of the bigger, so minus 1 divide by minus plus minus, so 2 minus 1 1 and sign of bigger, so minus 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1 and minus minus plus, so I will get the plus 1 in the answer of this. And remaining question you will do in the practice. In the question 2, verify that a divide bracket b plus c is not equal to bracket a plus b, a divide b and a divide c. So let's take this left hand side and this is the right hand side. So we have question a given plus 12, b is minus 4 and c is given plus 2. So here left hand side we will perform on that side, and this will call right hand side. So we'll perform left hand side here. So a divide bracket minus 4 plus 2, that means a become 12, b is we have minus 4 and here c we have 2, so we will write here c. So perform here BODMAS rules. So we'll find that 12 divided by minus plus minus, so 4 minus 2, so I will get 2 and bigger is this, so minus 2. So simply 12 divided by 2, so 6 answer and plus minus minus 6 here. This will call right hand side. So right hand side we have a divide b and a divide c. So a means 12, b means 4, a means 12 and c means 2. So here also we'll apply in BODMAS rules. So 12 divided by 4, that means 3, plus minus minus 3, and here 12 divided by 2, so we will get 6 and multiplication of these two one is 18. 6 3 is 18 and minus plus minus 18. So we can say that not equal, left hand side not equal to right hand side, and it's verified. In the B, here also with the same process, is this A divided by B plus C, here A divided by B, A divided by C. So here we have A is minus 10, B is 1 and C is 1. So let's perform the left hand side. So we will get minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So 10 divided by 2 I will get 5, and minus plus minus, so minus 5. And here on right hand side I have A divided by B, A divided by C. So 10 divided by 1, so I will get 10. Minus plus minus. 10 divided by 1, again 10. And minus plus minus 10. Minus 10 into minus 10. So 10 tens are 100. And minus minus plus. Again we can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side, and it's verified. Question 3, fill-ups. 369 divided by what number should I divide to get again 369? So I'll simply multiply 1, so I'll get same as that of number. And 71 divided by what number, so I'll get 1. So simple is 71 divided by 71, so it's become 1 ja. And for the sign, so minus plus minus, so will be plus 75. Here from the what number should I divide 1, so I'll get 87. So I try here 87, so 87 divided by 1, so I will get 87. For the sign is this minus, so I will have to write it minus, so minus plus minus, again I will get minus 87 in the answer. For this 20 divided by what number, so I will get minus 2. So 20 divided by 10, so I will get 10 2s are 20, and answer is minus 2, so I will write here minus, so plus minus minus 2. In the question 4, 5 pair of the integer a divided by b is equal to minus 3. That means here is requirement of the 5 pair of the numbers, integer numbers, which is in division form, and answer must be minus 3. So simply I can write here the numbers whose answer is 3. So 21 divided by 7, so I will get 7 3s are 21, but I need minus 3, so I will write here minus 21 or minus 7. Any of one number can be minus. And next one, 8 3s are 24, so I will get answer as a 3, and minus plus minus. As every time I have need just give a minus sign any of the one number, either 24 or 28. Here 5 3s are 15, and if I give the minus sign to the 5, so again I will get minus 3 in the answer. 4 3s are 12, and if I give the minus sign to the 12, so minus plus minus 3 will be again minus. Same here, 12 3s are 36, and if I give the sign minus to the 36, so 3 will get minus because minus plus minus. In the question 5, temperature at the 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above the zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until the midnight, at what time would be temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below the zero? That means minus 8. That means when it be the minus 8, what would be the temperature at the midnight? So temperature at the 12 noon, that means minus 10, decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour, that means in 1 hour it decreases by 2 degrees Celsius, that means decreases, that means minus 2. At what time it be the minus 8, that means at what temperature that at what time the temperature be below the zero, that means minus 8. So we will simply write here minus 8. And temperature at the midnight, that means what will be temperature at the midnight? So let's start simply calculating that. Temperature after 12 hours, that means 12 noon to midnight, it will be 12 hours. So 12 hours multiplied by minus 2. Minus 2 at that because in every hour it decreased by minus 2 degrees Celsius. So minus 2 degrees Celsius multiplied by 12 hours. So I will get minus 24 degree Celsius after 12 hours. So what temperature at the midnight? So midnight it is finally what temperature is that? So we can say that it was above the zero is plus 10 degrees Celsius, and after 12 hours it goes to the minus 24 degree Celsius. So what is the difference is that, so I can write its a difference is 10 plus minus minus 24, and I get minus 14 degrees Celsius. That means at midnight I will get minus 14 degrees Celsius. That means 10 degree at the daytime, and after 12 hours that means it goes 24 degrees Celsius down. That means from this if I get subtract minus 24, that means it got down, so I will get simply minus 24 is temperature after 12 hours. That means finally at midnight it will be minus 14 degrees Celsius. Another case is that when it be 8 degrees Celsius below the zero, that means I consider that minus 8 simply, so it will be easy to understand. So above the zero it is a 10 degrees Celsius, below the zero that means minus 8 degrees Celsius. So total is temperature 18 degrees Celsius. That means above the zero is 10 and below the zero is 8. So total become an 80 degrees Celsius, difference of 80 degrees Celsius. So number of hours to be minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 18 degree divided by 2. Divided by 2 is that because every 1 hour it decreased by 2. If I 18 divided by 2, so I will get 9 hours. So from 12 noon to after 9 hours it will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. That means I can write that after 9 hours temperature be minus 8 degrees Celsius. And in the next one, question 6, in class test plus 3 marks are given for the every correct answer and minus 2 are for the incorrect answer and no marks for the not attempting question. That means if give right answer, so we'll get plus 3. If I give incorrect answer, I will be given minus 2 marks, and if I not attempt the question, so I will get 0. So first case is we have is that Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, so how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So let's calculate for the Radhika. She have corrected 12 answer correctly. So for the correct answer she get 3 marks. So 12 3s are 36. That means she obtained 36 marks by correcting that 12 answers. But still she obtained the 20 marks. That means she have corrected that answer and still she have obtained 20 marks. So we can find it's a difference is that both two, one is 36 minus 20. So I can say that 16. So there is a difference of 16 marks. So for the incorrect answer, she will awarded by the minus 2 marks. So 16 divided by 2, that means 8. That means she have given an incorrect answer of 8 questions. Now for the Mohini, marks scored by the Mohini is minus 5 in the test. She has got 7 correct answer. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So here again, correct answer is 7. So 7 3s are 21. That means she was got 21 marks by answering correct for the 7 questions. But still she have obtained minus 5 marks. That means what is the difference? So minus 5 and minus 21. So I will get minus 26. That means difference of that marks is 26. So for the incorrecting, 26 divided by 2. 2, that means the number of incorrect answer. 13 questions she have incorrectly answered, and here 8 questions she have incorrectly answered. That's why Mohini got incorrect answer 13, and because of this she has scored minus 5. In the question 7, an elevator descends in the 9th shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. That means rate of the movement of that elevator is 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from the 10 meter above the ground level, how long it will take to reach minus 350 meters below the ground? So we can say above the ground is 10 meter and below the ground, that it is above the ground. Now it is above the ground for the 10 meter, and it have reached to the here, that means below the 350 meters below the ground. So total distance we can say that the above the ground is 10 and the below the ground is 350. So total distance it have to move is 360 meter. It have to move 360 meter to reach at below the ground. So at what time it will reach that 350 meter? So moving rate of that elevator is 6 meter per 1 minute. So what will be for 360 meter, what time it needed? So simply if we cross multiply this, so 360 into 1 divided by 6. So 6 are 36 and 0. So it will take 60 minutes, or we can say 1 hour to reach the required distance. That means it will 1 hour to reach.